Ow! Do you know how to use scissors?
I do.
Oh, you guys are doing a great job.
Really? You like it?
I don't, probably not. Oh, I like how you just pulled down my earlobe. That doesn't do anything. Bloody spot.
It's not bleeding, it's just
My-
really red.
My head's bleeding.
No, you're not bleeding, it's just red.
What are you doing?
For me?
Yeah.
Stick in your hair. You got crazy.
I mean, who gets two hairstylists at one time? That's how fancy I am. You know, the faces you're making don't really inspire confidence.
Turn it away. Trying to make you look better.
Oh my gosh.
You look so pretty. Put your ear out of the way.
Oh my god, my ears. I like my ears. Don't cut them off. You know, laughing is not the way to go about this.
What is yours or not?
I think this is a bad idea. Oh yeah, blow in my ear. That's great. Hey, if Miss Kiana's watching this, is that what you do with your clients? Is you blow in their ear? Like, what were you trying to do there?
Trying to get the hair all out of your hair.
Oh, well, I mean, I appreciate that. Technique's a little strange.
Oh yeah, do you want me to?
Oh! Too much water! You're just spraying me with water! What is that supposed to do? She's back there laughing her butt off. Whoa! What did you just do? He just cut scissors, no comb or anything. Just took a big stupid chunk out of my head.
Let me see.
Look,
Oh my god.
he took a big dumbass chunk
You
out.
have a scar in your head now.
Where? Where?
No, do not spray me.
Do you want us
Bryce,
to?
what are you doing?
He's cutting. Do you want us to glue some hair back? You do have.
I feel like you guys didn't take this job seriously.
Guys, you look very nice. Guys, let's glue. Oh, that's a long hair. All right, I need the scissors. Okay. We need the scissors up front. No, we're not cutting.
All right, we cut off all my hair apparently.
You look amazing. You just need to trim your beard. It doesn't go with the hairstyle. Make a mohawk.
It grows back, right?
No.
All right, now look at your hair. Look how good your hair looks. What do you think?
Looks good.
All right, Daddy didn't do such a terrible job, right? Quit waving. Give it a swirl. Oh, I wish I could do that with my hair. All right, haircuts are done, guys. That was my first time cutting hair. Not too bad. That is crazy. We've been lazy all day. Got my hair cut by the kids and all that fun stuff. And was just getting in the car when I saw what I just showed you. Have you ever seen a Coke can explode because it got so hot? Because that's what happened here. This Coke can, I left that full Coke on the dash in the truck, not thinking anything of it. It got to like, it says 86 right now. So this dash must have been 130 or something. I don't know how hot it has to get for a Coke to explode in your car, but let's just say my car is sticky and sweet right now. So there's a lesson learned. I've never left a Coke, like I wouldn't leave it in the car, but we grabbed a couple sodas yesterday to go to the rock show, and I just left that one up there for some reason. Had no idea that was even a possibility. I'm used to them like getting too cold and freezing, and you can check out a Travel Tip Tuesday about Cokes exploding and how I fixed that with our refrigerator. But I've never had one get too hot. That's insane. I mean, look at that. I've never seen anything like that before. So we get to clean that up later. RV life.
All right, we made it. That is where we're going to the top of. We got about 2,700 feet of climbing to do and about 2.5 miles. Already met a couple other hikers out here. Everybody agrees we all should have been out here earlier. It's about 9:30 in the morning. Still feeling good about it. We'll see how we do. I'll be excited to show everybody the place I made it up to last time. Hopefully I'm just taking a quick break there on my way to the top. So the kids are doing the Treasure Loop Trail. That's down around the base of this mountain. I'm also a little concerned because it doesn't really show it on video, but those cliffs are really intimidating. They're just like straight up and down. But I like adventure. I love hiking. And so this one has conquered me in the past, so I want to conquer it today. Look at the beautiful cactus too. Check that out. Met some lovely people on the trail. They told me, because they're camping here, that they watched helicopters for several hours yesterday. Sounds like someone fell to their death up top. Pretty sad. Also gives me a little bit of pause. I won't be getting too close to the edge. They said 2 weeks ago, another guy taking a selfie up at the top of Flatiron slipped and fell off. The views are spectacular. Your picture will be spectacular no matter where you are. It doesn't matter to get that close to the edge. All right, well, this is where I made it last time, where I got defeated. So we're only about an hour in here. So I actually did pretty well. All that down there, that was just the beginning. That was the easy stuff. All right. Too tired to hit the stop button. And this is treacherous. I think I see the trail leading up, straight up this first ridge. That looks really, really steep. People aren't kidding. This thing is no joke. This is the trail. Doesn't look like a trail. Just looks like a bunch of rocks. But this is where people are hiking.
So this hike, I think we thought we were going to be more on flat ground, but we're almost at 1,000 feet of elevation in like a mile. So yeah, it's been exciting. This Flatiron marks somewhere, who knows, but we've done a pretty decent amount of hiking today.
All right, this is where the fun begins. So that section was tough enough where I could not film. Me and some other hikers ended up going the wrong way. Went up some pretty treacherous stuff, which I wish I could have filmed for you, but I was scared of falling, so. Exhausting. That's Flatiron. It still looks like it's another 1,000 feet above me. I've been going for 2 hours now, so I got about an hour to get up there. This mountain is kicking my butt. I'm close. It's right there. I'm gonna make it. It's just we're really, really steep now, so. Well, it was only supposed to take 2.5 hours. It took 4. But right over there, we made it. Woo! All right, guys, absolutely stunning up here. It was worth the trip. There was some crazy scaling parts. I wish I could have had somebody else filming. There was some like 20-foot vertical stuff that was pretty crazy. And I mean, wow, the views up here, it's definitely worth a look. I mean, you can see so many mountains. There's hoodoos behind me. It's absolutely awesome. Mission accomplished. Super excited.
Okay, so we are sitting in the Dayus area. We got back from our hike about 12:30. We did lots of stopping. We met some cool family. We did lots of talking. Mark called me on our way back down, said he forgot his phone. And some nice hikers let them borrow his phone. And he said he was probably still an hour from the top at that point. So he figured he wouldn't be back down till like 3. It's about 3, and we've got the binoculars, the monocular also, and we keep looking for people, and we have not seen him yet. So yeah, every time that we see more people coming down, we all check to look for him.
So I left you guys on the top of Flatiron yesterday. Said I'd give you an update when I got to the bottom. Well, it took me 3 more hours to get to the bottom, so it was a 7-hour, 15-minute hike. And I was exhausted, and Jen was scared, getting ready to call the park rangers to come look for me, because of course I did the dumbest thing possible and left my phone. So I couldn't call or tell her what was happening, if I was okay or not. And so the whole thing was, we were just too tired and exhausted to talk about it. So the inspiring part. So there was a guy that was 55. He said he'd been hiking Flatiron for 30 years and that he's hiked Kilimanjaro. He's hiked to the base camp of Everest. And he said, if you can hike Flatiron, it is tougher than either of those places and many other places he's hiked in the world. So it is a really challenging trail, but it's to me, I'm out of shape. And I was still able to do it. It took me way longer than normal people, but if you can do that, you could hike Kilimanjaro. So that gave me a little inspiration to get to the top. The other thing was I met Flatiron Jim. Flatiron Jim hikes the Flatiron 3 times a week. He's been doing it for many years, and he is 90 years old. 90. His shirt said so. He looked 90. And he was shimmying on down the mountain when I was going up and exhausted. He looked like he was fine. So I don't know what kind of superhuman he is. I wish I could have talked to him, but he was moving so fast I didn't get a chance. But yeah, he does it 3 times a week, and he's 90 years old. So anyone, literally anyone, should be able to do this trail. I honestly have no idea how he was doing it. I would love to have seen him in certain spots that were just like vertical crazy. So met a bunch of cool people. It was really challenging but rewarding. So all right, I'm gonna go take some pictures of the sunset and show you guys the city.